was trying to get one fruit and it kept getting buried. And this guy, he started chasing me and telling me to give it back. And this other guy told me to give it back too. He said he'll report me and stuff. So I went back to go get the one fruit I wanted, but the guy was there again. So I went to go hide and behind my coconut trees. So I hid there and I was waiting for him to go back so I can go back to his garden and grab the one fruit I wanted. Cause it's finally open because I grabbed all the axes that was in the way. So I'm trying to see if he's there and I don't really see him. Now I see that this blue shirt guy was the guy that was saying that I was the one stealing from him and running away from him. And they just keep following me, thinking that he can do something about it, but I'm just running to get to his garden and then I get stuck on these